Thank you for watching our factory video. Younglee Metal is a manufacturer for hone tubes, chrome-plated rods, chrome-plated tubes, customized hydraulic cylinders like telescopic hydraulic cylinders, concrete pump delivery cylinder, and some big-size customized cylinders. Let's start from number 1 workshop. The workshop for cold drawing and raw material stock. On the right is the cold drawing machine. We always cold draw the tubes before honing. These are tubes ready for cold drawing. These are tubes after cold drawing. These are mounts for cold drawing. We have most of the mount sizes in inch and metric sizes. Let's go to workshop number 2. It's also for the cold draw process. On right side is different type of cold draw machines. On the left side we stock some raw tubes. This is our automatic straightening machines. Let's go to number 3 workshop. It's stress relief annealing heat treatment. On the right, it's the heat treatment furnace. These tubes are ready for heat treatment, the stress relief annealing. In front are some other cold drawing machines. Now, the 4th workshop, for process of inside honing and skive roller burnish process. These are skived and roller burnish machine. These are skive and roller burnish machine for small sizes. On the right it is the manual straightening machine. On the left, they are honing machines. On the right, there are some other cold draw machines. Number 5 workshop is for inspection and packing for hone tubes. Number 6 workshop is for rods production, rods grinding. There are all kinds of grinding machines and polish machines. Number 7 workshop is also for rods production, for kinds of grinding. These are the raw material stocks of the rods and chrome-plated tubes. Number 8 workshop is production for customized hydraulic cylinders, CNC machine center. This workshop produces customized hydraulic cylinders, big-size hydraulic cylinders, tubes and rods machining process. This is our CNC machining center. And this is our welding center. Number 9 workshop is for inspection and packing for chrome-plated rods. Chrome-plated tubes are also inspected and packed in this workshop. We use cardboard sleeve to packing the hollow rods to provide better protection. This is our laboratory for mechanical and chemical properties testing, the tensile testing machine. Impact testing machine. Samples after testing. Salt spray test machines. Wire cutting machine.